Total Wellness Revolution, 16 Hacks for Physical, Emotional, and Intellectual Well-Being. Life Hack, maintain an active lifestyle, enhance health, energy, memory, and well-being through a fitness routine, boosting confidence with improved appearance. Explore camaraderie in an intramural sports team if solo exercise is less appealing. Life Hack, incorporate healthy eating practices. Optimal health involves limiting salt, sugar, and processed foods while prioritizing fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Life Hack, maintain proper hydration. Prioritize regular water intake to enhance brain power, mental clarity, and immune function, while the habit of drinking a glass before meals aids in preventing overeating. Life Hack, refrain from smoking, vaping, and using stimulants. Nicotine is addictive in any form, and misusing stimulants such as Adderall or Ritalin can lead to severe mental, behavioral, and health issues. Life Hack, limit your intake of caffeine and alcohol. College campuses face a significant issue with alcoholism, but excessive caffeine intake, especially when combined with alcohol, can also result in adverse effects. Life Hack, prioritize regular housekeeping and personal hygiene. Maintain a healthy environment by regularly cleaning your dorm room, washing towels and bed linens, and disinfecting commonly used objects and surfaces. Life Hack, establish a distinct alarm for bedtime. Create a dedicated bedtime alarm to train yourself to prioritize sleep, recognizing its profound impact on various aspects of life. Life Hack, reduce TV and video game time. Excessive engagement in such activities can heighten the risk of procrastination on essential tasks, potentially causing regret in your college career, prompting some students to avoid owning a TV, especially in the early stages. Life Hack, invest time and effort into your own ideas and projects. Focus on your passions, as it doesn't require becoming an entrepreneur. Engaging in what you love keeps you more involved in life beyond work or school. Life Hack, invest time and effort into your own ideas and projects. Focus on your passions, as it doesn't require becoming an entrepreneur. Engaging in what you love keeps you more involved in life beyond work or school. Life Hack, opt for professors who exude enthusiasm if possible. Their passion has the power to motivate you to unlock more of your potential and might pleasantly reshape your perspective in unexpected and positive ways. Life Hack, maintain connections with your loved ones. Frequent calls, texts, or FaceTime sessions with family and friends can alleviate loneliness and homesickness. Life Hack, steer clear of prolonged periods of isolation. As social beings, humans require interaction with others, along with exposure to sunlight and fresh air. Life Hack, seize the chance to pursue studies abroad. Immerse yourself in a foreign culture to invigorate your mind, fostering a transformative perspective on the world and your role within it. Life Hack, utilize the support system available at your school. Schools provide counseling and mental health services to support individuals during challenging times or when coping with stress becomes difficult. Life Hack, ensure your own safety. Be aware of the higher incidence of crimes like sexual assault on college campuses, emphasizing the importance of a safety mindset, such as utilizing available services like police escorts for late-night walks on campus. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.